In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SumUp app. To get started, download the SumUp app from the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or from the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once the app is installed, open it and begin creating your account by tapping Sign Up. You'll be asked to enter your email address, phone number, and business details. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully so your account is set up correctly. After that, complete the verification process inside the app. If you already have an account, simply log in using your registered email address and password. After signing in, you may be asked to finish account verification. This usually includes uploading a valid government-issued ID and providing any additional business information needed to activate the account fully. This step is important because it helps unlock payment features and keeps your account compliant and secure. Next, if you have a SumUp card reader, you can pair it with the app. Turn on the card reader first, then make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Inside the app, go to Card Readers or Settings and select the option to connect your reader. Give it a moment to pair completely before moving on. If you don't have a reader yet, that's fine because some app features can still be used without one. You can also add products to make checkout faster. Open the product section and enter your product categories, item names, prices, and images if needed. This is especially helpful if you sell the same items regularly and want a smoother checkout experience. When you're ready to take a payment, either enter the sale amount manually or select products you've already added, then tap Charge. Your customer can pay using a contactless card, a chip card, a mobile wallet, or another supported payment method. Wait for the app to confirm the payment before ending the transaction. If you need to collect payment remotely, open payment links, enter the amount, and generate a secure payment link. You can then share that link through email, text message, or a messaging app so the customer can pay from their own device. After a successful payment, send a receipt by email or SMS, or print one if you have a compatible printer connected. To keep track of your activity, go to Sales or Transactions where you can review completed payments, refunds, payouts, and your transaction history. The app can also help you manage more of your business by creating invoices, monitoring payouts, managing products, and accessing tools like online store features, QR code payments, and gift cards depending on your country. When you're finished, open Settings or Account and tap Log Out, especially if you're using a shared device.